Hari Om students, good morning to all. Today we are going to see the topic Everest is not the only peak, written by Klothungan. Before getting into the topic, just understand the concept of the title. Everest is not the only peak. We all know that Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. But here the title is Everest is not the only peak. Why the particular title is given? Because everyone is not made to be a mountain climber or a captain. Each one has an important role in this life, however small it may appear to be. The poet respects every small achievement in every walk of life. In short, he means that climbing the highest peak is not the only achievement. Even in small jobs, we must do our best to achieve success. So, he says, Everest is not the only peak. Professor V.C. Kulandaiswamy, his life period time was between 1929 to 2016, known as Klothungan. Klothungan was the pen name of Professor V.C. Kulandaiswamy. He is an eminent technologist, a man of letters, and an educationist known for his pioneering contributions in hydrology, literature, and education. Pioneering, it means involving new ideas or methods. Hydrology, you all know that the branch of science concerned with the properties of the earth's water and especially its movement in relation to land. He has authored 6 volumes of poems and 7 of prose essays which earned him the Thiruvalluvar Award from the government of Tamil Nadu in 1999. He won the Sahitya Academy Award in 1988 for his book Valum Valluvam. His works deal with themes that reflect the gamut of human progress and the all-pervasive human efforts. Here gamut, it means the complete range of something. His themes that reflect the complete range. Pervasive, it means existing in all parts of a place or things, that is spreading gradually to affect all parts of a place or things. Let's see the explanation of this poem line by line. We are proud and feel so tall. Our virtues, though be few and small, our nature, it is that whatever we try, we do with devotion, deep and true. Here virtues means good qualities. Let's see the meaning of this stanza. The poet says that the man must feel proud of and high about himself. Though the virtues possessed by a man be few and small, he must do it with interest, with involvement, which brings out improvement. The people who do their duty with deep and true devotion are the deserving ones. So the point insists everyone to be sincere in their work. See the next stanza. Defeat we repel, courage our fought, crinking from others we haven't done. To seek again we adore none. We are proud and feel so tall. Here, repel. Repel means oppose. Fought. It means huge building for protection. Crinking. It means behave in an excessively humble way. Adore. Adore means praise. What is the meaning of this stanza? See, no one likes defeat. Man dislikes defeat. When he faces defeat, courage must be his strongest hold to overcome it. He does not need to be extremely humble and bend his head and body in fear to anyone. He should not fall before somebody or flatter somebody for gaining. He must follow the path of dignity and honor. See the third stanza. We deem it our duty and mission in life to bless and praise the deserving ones. Never shall we fail in what we commit, shall nourish the ones that nourish the world. Here, deem. Deem means think or consider. Mission, it means task or duty. Deserving, it means qualified. Praise, appreciate. Nourish, it means help others to grow and develop. See the meaning of this stanza. The poet wishes to nurture devotion. He says that it is man's duty and mission in life to bless and praise the deserved ones. People who do their duty with devotion, dignity, and honor must be appreciated. The poet says that man should always keep his word. He will never fail when he is committed to duty, leading to growth and development of someone and the world. He points out that man should always encourage the person who serves the society because service to humanity is an essential virtue. That's all about today's video. Remaining part of this poem you will see in the next video. Everest is not the only peak, part 2. Till then, take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.